Welcome to my campfire cooking experience. Today I'll be making a lamb red wine campfire roast in my cast iron pan. Sit back, relax and enjoy. So I'm just going to put the meat in first with my extra long tongs here. Just sear the meat. We've got this cast iron pan, very hot now. We've got this fire, very, very hot. You can hear that crackling. And the lamb is getting very brown very, very quickly, as you can see. Beautiful sound and a beautiful fire. I'm going to put in some fresh rosemary. A bit of onion. We've got carrots. We've got some beautiful fresh garlic. Bit of potato, and last but not least we've got our tomato, just to give it that bit of a sweet tone, and mixed with the red wine. Just got a very cheap Aldi wine here. This is the most cheapest one. Just going to let that wine interact with the lamb and let that wine soak in. I'm going to let this cook for at least 3 to 4 hours. The final results. A beautiful juicy lamb rosemary red wine cast iron roast. Delicious.
ਮੰਨੋ ਮੇਰੀ ਗੱਲ ਆਪਾਂ ਆ ਛੱਡ ਕੇ ਚੱਲਦੇ